The brilliance and expansiveness of the imagination knows no national boundaries. Wherever we live on Earth, whatever country we're from, imagination realized, genius ideas come to life, globally enhances the quality of our lives in ways we could have never believed possible. Whether you're a doctor,
if I had to guess, I would say that's from somewhere in Asia, maybe in China.
Japanese people are really good with technology.
I'm gonna guess India.
America.
a patient,
Seems like something made in the US.
It's like the coolest thing.
Just because of the necessity.
Feels like it's probably China or Japan.
New York.
Germany.
or a paramedic.
I don't know why I'm feeling France from this.
Well, the US is it for war.
Didn't that save the congresswoman's life when she got shot?
A farmer,
South America, maybe like Mexico.
Invented in Mexico.
China.
Nordic country. Insert Nordic country.
I think so too.
or a pharmacist.
I'm gonna just say the US.
U.S.
Teva? Is that a German name?
Whether you drive a car,
Waze.
Made in the US.
Silicon Valley.
I love Waze. China.
Somewhere in Asia.
I would go for China.
America.
or your car drives you.
To Switzerland or something.
I would say Germany for mobile life.
Dubai, just because they have those self-driven cars.
From your food,
This one could be Spain. They eat a lot of tomatoes.
It sounds like something the US would do.
Europe.
In the south of Italy.
to your beverages,
Europe.
Europe. The UK. China.
I want to say something very European.
That's China.
Shark Tank.
Yes, Shark Tank is the country.
your toys,
Oh, that's hard.
No idea.
That reminds me of Mahjong. I'd say from China.
to your toiletries,
This one's gotta be America.
America.
India.
South Korea. South America.
and so many other staples of the 21st century.
So every single one of the products that I showed you was invented in Israel.
What?
That's no way!
Really? Wow.
Wow.
That's popping.
I'm pretty surprised.
Like, it would have never crossed my mind.
I would never have gotten onto the fact that all of it was made in Israel.
Wow. How come people don't know this?
Why don't we know this?
Well, let's do it again.
I just never connect Israel and invention, but it makes sense once you point it out.
Oh, that's just the beginning of Israeli innovations. Let me tell you about water desalination, cybersecurity, solar energy.
We're all beneficiaries of Israeli imagination, the bold innovators who had the courage to believe in their crazy ideas and change the world.